So, yes, you are picking an event that has changed people's lives and how people live. Your directions are right here, and so you're researching the event that is or has impacted how humans live. So you can do it something that's happened in the past in its history, or something that's happening right now. And then what you need to have in it in your creative way to show us or to show me. So you're either, either your primary source, if you are doing an event that is happening now, like the global pandemic with COVID-19, or Brexit, or you could do climate change or something like that. And you're creating a primary source because it's something that's happening now. So you are like witnessing it, you're living through it, you're living in that same time. If you're creating a secondary source, so whatever that creative way is, whether it's video, timeline, whatever, a secondary source would be something that has happened in the past. So it's already done, it happened in history. Examples would be like World War II, or the Holocaust, or when man walked on the moon for the first time. What you need to have, the information that you need to have from everything on your event is right here. So the 5 W's, the who, the what, the when, the where, the why. If you go to Classroom and open the document that's titled Resources right here, these are suggestions for events that you can do with resources that are there for you to use already. If you want to do one that's not on here, just shoot me an email, and so I can make sure that it would have like enough like meat, and it would have enough information for you to kind of get all of those things with. So you are researching an event. You are getting the 5 W's right here, and then you're coming up with a creative way to put it into a primary or secondary source and be able to tell me about it.